In today's video, we're going to do some ornaments. This one is very easy. They're very easy to make. This is for the November Hospice Craft Project for Shepherd's Cove Hospice. Shepherd's Cove is a nonprofit hospice organization that provides care to anyone, regardless of their ability to pay. The Heart of Hospice is just a wonderful organization to be a part of. I have been a part of it for a little over 3 years, almost 4. I actually did start doing some projects for hospice as far as crafts were concerned shortly after we moved here to Alabama. However, I didn't become an official volunteer for a few more months just because of life. So as you can see, this ornament is just precious. You can decorate these any way you like. If you're local, we're going to have a work day on Saturday, I think it's the 15th. Excuse me. We're going to have a work day on November 14th. Which is a Saturday from 1 until 5. You can drop in and make a few ornaments and leave. You can come and stay, or you can even come by any day after Saturday and pick up a kit to make these for yourself. Now, if you are just watching this and you want to see how these ornaments are done, I am so thankful that you are here. This particular video will not be monetized, just so that we can have an uninterrupted craft time together. For today's project, you're going to need something that you find in the kitchen every day, and that is an egg crate. Love this stuff. You're going to need some Christmas bulbs. The ones that you're going to get in your package are the ones that you're going to make are going to be plastic. The ones I'm working with today are glass because it's what I have. However, if you do want to make some glass ones for yourself, I will have a few that you can do that with. You're going to want some ribbon, glitter, either some floor wax, or some polyacrylic. This is polyacrylic. I just poured mine into a small little squeeze tube. You will also get the squeeze tube full of liquid. You'll get 2 or 3 according to how many ornaments you plan to make. You will also need some plastic cups, some disposable plastic cups, so that you can pour the liquid from the ornaments out and reuse it. We do not waste, or at least we try not to waste. So that's, let's see, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Of course, scissors, hot glue, any of your basic craft supplies, glitter. And so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make sure we have a nice clean space to work on. You're going to want to protect your surface, mostly because glitter goes everywhere. You're going to have this on you for days. You've been warned. No, you don't have to do this with glitter. However, they just don't look the same. So, and yes, you can do it with acrylic paint, but they take forever to dry. The local folks will also be getting some gift bags to package these in, some shred, curling ribbon, that kind of thing. And they will get the Shepherd's Cove Hospice Cove Crafter stickers that will go on there so that they will know where the gift came from. Okay, so, and you'll get stickers. I'm going to be writing out some instructions. That's going to be a downloadable PDF file, and that will be on my website, which is ms.rhetta.com. And if I can figure out how to do it and put it here on YouTube, I will do that as well. So one other thing you're going to get to do, if you'd like, Another thing you're going to be getting if you're local are some stamped images. These are all from Whimsy Stamps. You'll be coloring these with colored pencils or whatever media that you like to use. I will provide colored pencils for you. And then once they're colored, I will use my brother's Scan and Cut to cut them all out, and they will become gift tags for this project. You're going to take the Ornament's crown off, and you're going to take some of your liquid and pour it in. And now we're going to put our thumb over the hole and slowly but gently swirl it around inside the ornament. And you can tell, like right here, that this has not gotten the liquid on it yet. You could potentially do this with glue or Mod Podge. The thing is, you're going to have a lot of time for it to dry, and you'll need more of it just because it needs to cover the inside of this ornament. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little bit left in the bottom. This is where you would use your small little plastic cup or whatever you have. I'm just going to pour mine back into the bottle. And we want these dry before they're packaged, which is why this egg crate comes in so handy. I'm going to let that continue to drain here for just a minute. You can do a whole bunch of them and let them drain for like 2 or 3 minutes and then go to the next step. Then you're going to take your glitter. This happens to be an ultrafine clear glitter. It's not clear, excuse me, an ultrafine glitter called Aqua. It came from Hobby Lobby. I bought it last year. Whatever glitter I give you, you will have a small choice of what you'd like to have. We got to use what like I said, we have to use what we have on hand already. You're going to want to gently tap. If you do this over like a coffee filter or a paper towel, you will be able to reclaim your glitter and use it again. So I don't know if you can really tell how much is in here. Take your thumb once again and twirl this. You can shake it a little bit. You can add more if you need it. I have a few little spots. I have a few spots that need to be covered. Like, see right here? Now, whatever glitter that's in this bulb that you dump out, you can try to reuse it, but the honest truth is it kind of turns into glops, and I don't know if you can see this or not. There's not a whole lot in there. So now take our ornament crown and put it back into place. turn it back upside down so that if there is any liquid in this, it will drain out. And then to go on to decorating this ornament, there are bunches of ways you can do this. You will be provided some stickers, ribbon, hot glue, glue sticks, permanent markers, that type of thing, so you can decorate them any way you want. You can put words on them like joy and peace and sky's the limit. As you can see, I have been using this sticker sheet for a while. These can be kind of difficult to get off because I've actually had these several years. They need to, I really need to refresh this part of my supplies. It's not that they necessarily get old, it's just that they've sat for a long time, and in this case in a little bit of a warm place. But all you're going to do is put some stickers on. You can put 1 or 10 or whatever you want, and once that's done, it'll look like this. You will also get some stretchy cord, at least until I run out of it, which may be sooner than you think. And you just want to clip off a piece that's maybe 3 or 4 inches long. You're going to thread it through the top of your bulb, and this will act as a hanger. There will not be any metal Christmas tree hangers on here. If the recipient would like to have one, I'm sure they can find them. So there's the stretchy part on. We're going to take our ribbon, and some hot glue, glue gun hot glue. And you're going to want to put a fairly generous amount right here. So what you're doing is pretty much sealing this top onto the base. And you can be as elaborate or as simple with just this part of the decoration as you want to be. And that is the ornament finished. Each ornament from beginning to end shouldn't take but about 5 minutes to complete. Like I said, this is a very messy project, and there's a lot of steps, but it's a lot of fun to do them. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments section or send me an email. All of that information, along with the coordinating blog post, will be down below in the description box. All right, everyone, and Shepherd Cove's hospice information will also be in the description box. Have a great day, everyone. Stay happy and be a blessing. Stay well. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.